The earthquake that shook Ljubljana, 1511. The largest earthquake in Slovenia occurred on March 26, 1511, in Idrija, between 3 and 4 in the afternoon. The radius of the earthquake's effects was 750 kilometers. It hit Ljubljana, the capital city of Slovenia. It was the strongest earthquake in its history. This natural disaster brought widespread devastation. Buildings collapsed, roads split apart, and terrified citizens fled to the streets. Even landmarks once deemed unshakable, the churches and castles, crumbled into ruins. These structures, which symbolize strength and sanctuary, became stark reminders of nature's power. Yet, the people of Ljubljana stood resilient. Together, they rebuilt their city, crafting architecture that remains legendary to this day. This pivotal moment in history highlights the city's unwavering spirit and continues to inspire hope and determination. Learn about Slovenia and Slovenian language with us. Join our YouTube channel and our Facebook group, Slovenian Language Learning Group. See you soon!